Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and this is a cleaning progress video. Now, in this box, there are some things, but they'll be gotten out of there. Whoops, almost dropped the iPad. And in that box were 4 chargers. They all work. They got to be cleaned up. And there is a bin to go out, and all the cat food was up there. And I found a couple of charging bricks. I have no idea what they go to, and gee, I wonder why the light is fading here. It's very odd. All of a sudden, there's no light. Bigger, maybe the coverings. That's weird. Anyway, found this. This is a cord to a Mac, and I found a Kensington laser mouse I didn't know I had. It was in the box. I think the art bell is freaking it out, maybe. I don't know. Something's happening here to light. Oh, that's what. Let me turn the art bell on to normal. I think the changing light conditions of the laser light are freak. Look at that. When I go over there, it freaks the light out. Anyway, the Kensington laser mouse for Mac. I've got that. I'll put that away. But this is the one that blew my mind. This is from like 1996. I used to have one. I don't have it anymore. I think it was in storage. But in my stuff was a dock for my Palm Pilot, which was way before the Newton, I think. But don't quote me. I don't remember exactly when the Newton came out. I used to have a Newton too. So I'm going to put this on eBay, clean it up. It's dirty, but it should still work. Maybe I have the Palm Pilot in here somewhere. I have no idea. But I'll put this on eBay for $5 and see what I can get. So you find strange things in boxes because you just throw stuff in boxes. And the cats have their cat food. Fuzzy and Fluffy actually scratched on the new cat scratcher, so he came in and discovered the cat scratcher. But Fuzzy's been attacking the cat scratcher, and oddly, the little girl has not been attacking the cat scratcher. All right, retro computing here with the Palm Pilot charger, or dock actually. So I will put that on eBay and see what I can get for it. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day and stay warm, dry, wet, or cool out there as the case may be, and stay safe. Bye-bye for now.